Good day, family. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to make the cassava leaves or pondu. We have onion, garlic, green pepper, spring onion. You can mix also with a yellow pepper or whatever, cucumber, everything we put together. In the meantime, you clean your cassava leaves and then you start pounding it. When you pound, you mix with everything I've shown you before. You can see inside, you can see cucumber, green pepper, onion, garlic, everything inside. You pound it. When it's ready, you put in the pot. You can use pilchard or CARAPAU or any other fish, black fish, to put inside, the smoked one. But in this one, we just use the CARAPAU. You put water in a certain level, as you can see. I will leave it to boil. When it boiled, the water starts going down. You will take now your palm oil. You mix. You put in the pot. Not too much, not less, but in a certain quantity. You have to see, to check yourself. So we cover your pot. You leave it to boil again. As you can see, we did put also the stock. This one we can accompany it with a chicken. This one is a chicken that we put in the oven. You eat it together with the pondu. You can eat with rice. You can eat pap or fufu, plantain or cassava bread or kwanga. Enjoy your food. Subscribe. Like the video, leave a comment and share. Thank you.